Today we're taking a detailed look at the RK S98 Mechanical Keyboard, a budget-friendly board that delivers features you'd usually expect from much more expensive brands. Let's start with what you get in the box. First, there's the user manual, always good to have on hand. Then we get to the keyboard itself, and right away, the build quality stands out. This thing weighs around 1.88 kilograms, and it feels as solid as it looks. The top plate is metal, there's zero flex, and it has a really premium feel for something in this price range. This is a 96% layout, which means you get 98 keys, including a full function row and arrow keys, all in a compact form factor that saves space without sacrificing usability. The keyboard comes with a USB-C port for charging and wired use, a USB-A pass-through, and clean switches for toggling between modes. It's got a very clean, functional design. Inside the box, you also get a braided USB-C cable, a set of extra mechanical switches and switch puller, and a clear dust cover to help keep things clean when you're not using it. Let's plug it in. As soon as you power it on, the RGB lighting comes to life. The animations are vibrant and there are plenty of lighting modes to choose from, including wave, breathing, breathe, reactive typing, and more. The best part? You can cycle through lighting modes directly from the keyboard without needing any software. There's a physical switch in the corner that lets you toggle between wired and 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode. Next to that is an on-off switch, great for saving battery when the keyboard isn't in use. Speaking of wireless, the 2.4 gigahertz dongle is magnetically attached to the board itself. It snaps into a dedicated slot for easy storage. A small touch, but very convenient. Now let's talk about one of the most unique features of this keyboard, the 1.47-inch LCD screen and the rotary knob. The screen displays your battery level, connection mode, and current OS layout, either Windows or Mac OS. And yes, you can upload your own image or even animated GIFs using RK's software. The knob lets you quickly adjust volume, scroll through RGB effects, and even switch between devices. It's responsive, easy to use, and genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. As for typing, the RK S98 feels excellent right out of the box. The factory-lubed linear or tactile switches, depending on the version you get, are smooth and consistent. The keyboard uses a top-mount structure with multiple layers of sound-dampening foam, including IXPE and silicone. That means the typing experience is quieter, more refined, and has that deeper, more satisfying thock sound, instead of the hollow or plasticky noise you get with cheaper boards. Whether you're gaming, working, or just typing emails, it's a great experience. Now let's talk customization. The keyboard can be customized using RK's software. On Windows, you get a downloadable app that lets you remap keys, change RGB settings, and upload images to the screen. For Mac OS users, there's a web-based RK launcher that works in your browser. It's great that both platforms are supported, but let's be honest, the software is pretty basic. It covers the essentials, but it's not very intuitive and lacks deeper configuration features that enthusiasts might expect. The keyboard also lets you switch between Windows and Mac layouts right from the onboard control panel, which is a nice bonus for users with mixed setups. Alright, let's wrap things up with some pros and cons. Starting with the pros. First, and most importantly, the price. The RK S98 offers features that rival mechanical keyboards from big-name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. This makes it one of the best value options on the market right now. Next, it's built like a tank, solid construction, 1.88 kilograms weight, and no flex. The typing experience is excellent, smooth switches, great acoustics, and hot-swappable support. Triple mode connectivity gives you USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 gigahertz wireless with fast switching. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable on board. You also get a customizable screen, a responsive rotary knob, and support for both Windows and Mac users, with software options for each. Now, a few cons to be aware of. The LCD screen is a little dim in bright environments. It works, but don't expect high brightness levels. The included keycaps are ABS, not PBT, which means they may show shine or wear over time. The software, both desktop and web-based, is functional but limited. It could be more polished and powerful. And finally, there's no official Hebrew key layout available. so users who need that will have to replace the keycaps or use stickers. Final thoughts. The RK S98 stands out as a keyboard that punches way above its price point. You get premium build quality, solid wireless performance, a satisfying typing feel, and unique extras like the LCD screen and knob, all for a fraction of what other brands charge for similar specs. If you're looking for a keyboard that delivers real value, practical features, and a clean, compact design, the RK S98 is absolutely worth considering. And hey, the best things come in pairs. So if you're thinking about picking up this keyboard, you'll probably want a mouse to match. The perfect partner is the Royal Kludge M3 gaming mouse. Check out my video review on it to find out if it's the real deal or if it's just whack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.